Welcome to another episode of the Vegan Hungarian. Today I will be making Rakott Krumpli, or layered potatoes. This dish is usually made with potatoes, of course, sausage, and hard-boiled eggs, and sour cream. While the substitutes I'm going to use my version of vegan sour cream, which you saw in the chicken paprika episode, and I'm going to use the vegan kolbasz or vegan sausage recipe you saw in the vegan sausage recipe episode. So let's begin. Going to add the full fat oat milk, lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, nutritional yeast, some salt, and some tapioca starch or flour. Okay. We're going to give that a ride in the blender for about 30 or 40 seconds. Okay, that's done. And just set that aside. And I'm going to start building my layered potatoes. I have some potatoes here on the bottom. I'm going to add my vegan kolbasz or vegan sausage in one layer. And then for the sulfur taste, I'm going to use this sulfur salt, which is salt that comes from a volcano. Kala Namak, I think that's pronounced. And I am just going to sprinkle maybe a little bit, less than a quarter teaspoon, onto my onions, just to give it a little bit of that egg taste. And then I'm going to start layering in some of the onions. I'm just going to keep adding that layer. Then I'm going to put another layer of potatoes, another layer of sausage, another layer of onions, then lastly a layer of potatoes on top. All right, I built up my layers here. My oven is preheated to 375 degrees. I'm going to take my sour cream mixture and pour it in there. And I basically want to come, no more than halfway up the size of the dish. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. And I'm going to go ahead and put this into the oven. Okay, it's been in the oven for about 35 minutes, and here it is. And just to give it a little color, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of paprika on it. And a little bit of flavor too. Okay.